Good morning, everyone. Welcome to my vlog. I am starting it so late in the day. We just had a maintenance person here working on our fire alarms after the situation that happened the other night. If you missed that vlog, basically our fire alarms just started going off randomly. They went off for like 25 minutes. They went off for like 5 minutes and then another 25-minute spurt, and oh my god, it was such a nightmare. It was so loud. It was echoing through the whole neighborhood. We felt so terrible. The guy just left. He just replaced all the fire alarms. He's also going to replace some switches in our bathrooms that don't work properly, so he just ran out to grab those. He's going to come back and fix those. But it is 11:20 a.m. right now, and I'm about to start getting ready because I'm going to shoot a couple things with my manager Alex. He is coming over here around noon, so I need to start to get ready, and we're just going to spend an hour shooting, just trying to get as much done as we can because I have a pretty busy work day, so I can't spend too long working on some photos, but I do want to stockpile some photos while I have an opportunity to here today. So that is what we're going to be working on. Oh, I'm having such a crazy day and I feel like I have not accomplished nearly enough. We're just gonna have to make it happen. Might be a sort of late work day, but that's okay. We're just gonna make it work. Guys, I cannot even tell you the madness that has ensued in my life in the past couple hours. It has been pure madness. I'm just making lunch now. It's 2:30, which I guess isn't that late, but I'm pretty hungry and have so much to do still, so I'm just quickly making like a little ramen noodle situation because I need something that cooks extremely fast, like this. Finished shooting with Alex. I'm sorry I got no clips of that. It just like, we were just trying to get through it as quick as we could because I have a lot of other work to do today. By the way, I get this question a lot and I feel like I address it a lot also, but I still get it on like almost every vlog, I guess, just from new people joining in, which, hi, thank you very much for being here. I get a lot of questions being like, do you have another job other than YouTube? And yes, I do. I actually run a social media management like company just on my own. And so I run the social media for other brands. So like today I have just so much work to do for this brand. It's crazy. So anyway, we were just trying to like fly through this, all the shooting that I had to do, and we did. And then the other thing that we had to do today was take Connor's brother's stuff to the post office to mail it to Canada. He basically left some stuff at Connor's place of his when the pandemic first started, because he was going back to Canada to sort of ride it out there. Now like his plan has totally changed. He's not even coming back to Los Angeles to live here at least for a good little while. Very sad about that. Dill and I were like becoming such good friends. I'm so sad. Not that we're not still good friends, obviously, but we don't get to see him anymore. And we used to see him like multiple times a week, which was so fun. Anyway, I digress. So his shit has just been sitting in Connor's place for months and then got moved here to our new place. And I was like, we have to get rid of this. So finally today we brought it all to the post office, but it has been a struggle even just like with that because shipping to Canada, especially right now in pandemic times, is extremely difficult. Customs is really strict. So Connor is still there right now. He was like, you go home because I have so much work to do, and honestly so does he, but his brother. So he was like, I'll wait here, finish dealing with this if you go back. So that's where he is right now. That's what I've been doing since like noon, past 2.5 hours. Do I just use like this pack and just eat the soup? I don't know what to do here. I sort of want it to be fast, which is why I'm tempted to just like say fuck it and do this. That's what I'm gonna do. I just need something immediate. I don't want to do any work for it because it's just too much going on. Poor Connor hasn't eaten anything yet today, and he has a call at 3, so in a half hour. So he's gonna be like rushing to get back here and hop on a call. I feel so bad for him. Laziest meal ever, you guys. Oh boy. By the way, in other exciting news, my parents bought me a air fryer for my birthday, and Connor and I tried it out yesterday. We made chicken wings and they came out amazingly. So I would definitely start preparing yourself for a lot of future air fryer recipes coming up on this channel, or just like cook with me, like we do here, because I am addicted. I'll add some hot sauce into this. Laziest meal freaking ever. Last thing I need, ice, because it is so hot. And we need to expedite this eating process. I'm so stressed. I am panicking. Honestly delicious. I'm sorry, I don't even know what this vlog has been so far. Madness. So anyway, I'm gonna eat this and then hop right back into work, and I'm gonna check in with you guys, I think this evening when I finish up work. And I have something else that's so exciting to talk to you guys about, a little secret that I want to share with you. Oh my god, I was so excited to tell you. But in the meantime, let me deal with this. Connor made us some guacamole. It looks so yummy. Gotta do a taste test. Will it live up to expectations?
Let's see. Send it back. It's not as good as the Nuggos version, but it's alright.
I'm sure it's delish. Mmm. Very yummy.
Could probably have increased the spices a little bit, but...
Yeah, like in particular, I think more like cayenne or chili.
Yeah.
So it has more spice, but it's really good.
Good.
Perfectly salted.
What do we think? I stuck on your face so intensely.
Really?
We'll be able to review and see if you were lying.
Oh my god.
Do a breakdown, frame by frame.
Frame by frame. Was she telling the truth?
Yeah, right?
No,
Facial
it really
cues.
is very yummy.
Yummy guac.
I'm gonna let you guys in on my little secret now too, which I'm very excited about. On Thursday of this week, I am flying home to surprise my mom in New Jersey. She does not know that I'm coming. I've coordinated with my dad because I needed someone to know that I was coming, make sure that the dates that I was going for worked, and to pick me up from the airport and all of that. So he's in on the surprise, but he's the only one who knows that I'm coming back, and I'm so excited to surprise her. It's gonna be so fun. She has just been like missing me hard since we didn't get to spend Christmas together. It's just been a really long time, and I miss my parents so much. So I thought it would be really fun to surprise my mom, and that is what's happening. I'm only telling you guys this because this vlog will be up after I am going to surprise her. So I know it won't ruin the surprise, but that's gonna be a really fun vlog coming up pretty soon for you guys. I'm so excited to see her reaction. She definitely has no idea. The only thing that could potentially ruin this surprise is that she has both mine and my dad's locations on her phone. And so we're really scared that either one, she's gonna look at my location, see him in New Jersey, or two, she's gonna look at my dad's location and see that he's like at the airport, which obviously would be a strange place for him to be. So that's the only thing that could potentially ruin it. I was thinking about maybe turning my location off for her, but I think it sends a notification to people when you do that, and I just wanted to be like sly so that she doesn't notice. Maybe I need to figure out how to add location to my iPad, if my iPad can even do that, because my iPad is old as fuck.
It's pretty funny how much you and your dad have been fucking with her too.
Oh my god, yeah, we have been messing with her pretty hard, not gonna lie. So many times she just has like called him in like, miss you so much, I'm so sad, I can't believe that I'm not going to see you until July, which is what she thinks right now, is that we will not see each other until July, which is really far away. My dad just keeps being like, don't worry, summer's gonna be here sooner than you think. So many times actually though, I've like almost let it slip. Like I was talking to her today and I was about to be like, oh yeah, Connor and I are gonna do a date night tonight because it's our last like real night together, but had to be like, wait, no, you can't say that. She was gonna ask why. But anyway, that is my big secret, my big surprise.
And my big surprise is that Molly and I are having a boys' week.
Yes.
Boys' week!
Except she's a gal, but...
Yeah, whatever.
You guys are gonna bro down together.
Yeah,
it's gonna be Molly's first time being alone with Connor, like for an extended period of time.
Oh, I'm not looking forward to the first couple days.
She's gonna be pretty annoying, I think.
Morning.
Morning. And loudly.
Exactly. So many cuddles to come, which I'm very excited about.
Oh yeah, you're gonna be her number one the whole week.
Gonna be over here, I'm sure, numerous times, so Uncle Becker will get to play with her. So
yeah, he was playing with her when he was over here earlier.
But 1 week's manageable.
Yeah,
No
it'll be fine. No longer than that. It's gonna be really good. I'm just so excited to see my family. So excited to get to Wawa. Bring me the iced tea and the sandwiches. Oh, just like hoagies to the face. I'm so excited.
Hoagies to the face.
Yes. It's gonna be so good. I'm pretty pumped.
And Pop-Up.
Yeah, I get to see Popsy. Sweet little angel. So anyway, that is my big secret, and that's why Connor and I are doing a date night tonight. I am obviously, I don't fly out until Thursday, so I am still technically here tomorrow night, but my flight leaves at 8 a.m. on Thursday, so it's definitely gonna be an early night. Like, just wanna pack and get my shit together and go to bed pretty early. So we thought tonight would be a better night for a little last date night ever together.
Well, don't say that.
And we have quite the night planned, so I'll be bringing you along for the fun.
After a busy fucking day.
It's been such a busy day.
day.
I honestly could keep working for like hours longer.
Seriously.
And still not be done. But I am bundled up. Like, who do I think I am? But it is very windy outside, you guys. So pulled out a nice little beanie here. Got a sweater on, my puffer. We are ready to go.
Date night.
Date night. First up on the agenda, oysters.
Oysters, you know how it be. You know how we do.
Spot on. Check out these oysters. They look so good. I've already dolled one up, so is Connor.
And sweaty Con.
Yeah, Connor had to run home to get his license.
Twice.
Multiple times. Because he forgot the keys too. So bad. But it's fine. Got some Prosecco too. Connor got a beer. Looking good. Alright, should we try one of these oysters?
Let's do it, baby.
Cheers.
Cheers. The oysters have been significantly better than that first time.
Yeah, this is our third time here now getting oysters. The first time the oysters were good, but not like amazing. But the next two, yeah, the last time and this time, that was such a meaty oyster. Look at how deep that guy was. It was a good one.
So good, we did it twice.
That's right. I had to snag 6 more because the oysters are so good tonight. So excited.
Sorry, this is my vlog. Did you not realize?
Yeah, no, I liked it. I liked that you just hopped in there. And Connor joined me on a glass of Prosecco for this next one. The branding at this restaurant is impeccable, I have to say. And I'm dying to try their lobster rolls here. I've never tried them before, but definitely need to when I'm back in LA because apparently they are amazing and I love lobster rolls so much. Okay, we switched locations. We're at dinner now.
We are psyched.
Yeah, so this place is called Wabi. We've never been here before, but first of all, their COVID setup is so good. It's so spread out. There's like protective glass in between tables. It's really great. So many heat lamps, which is wonderful as well for the outdoor dining. And inside is so cool and trendy. I can't wait until that's a thing again and we can just sit inside. Who cares if it's cold or raining out? We can still just go anywhere we want. So we just ordered a couple dishes and just got some sake here. I have to show you this. I've never seen sake like this before. You could just tell this place was crafted with millennials in mind. They're like, we want cool, like trendy Instagram people to come here. Like it's just one of those vibes that you get from one of those kinds of restaurants.
And not being too douchey about it. I'm saying, you know,
At all. Like it's
that's how
actually
you walk
very
the line.
cool and yeah, we really like it. So let me show you the sake. There's a very loud table near us.
Oh, and it's driving Connor.
Connor is not okay about it.
Walker.
But look at like what this sake came in. It's like a tin, some sort of tin container. And they brought it in these cute little glasses here. Big fan. Cheers, Con.
Cheers, my love.
Apparently this is the most popular sake on the menu, so we went for it.
Yeah.
First up on the table, spicy tuna on crispy rice. A classic. It smells amazing. Presentation, 10 out of 10. I cannot wait to try this.
I'm pumped about this place.
Me too. I feel like we're gonna end up being here a lot.
Right?
We're just taking you along on our food eating journey today. So this is the miso cod. It looks perfect, perfectly blackened.
I've never gotten
seasoned.
this before.
I've never had anything really like this before either, so I'm very excited about it. Apparently it's one of the most popular things on their menu, so we have to try it. Okay, sushi roll time. So we have 2 rolls here. This is the baked crab roll, which looks amazing.
Look at that.
And then we have, this is called the Rick James roll, and I don't even remember what it was. It was like spicy tuna, avocado, some sort of like white fish, I think is on top.
Yellowtail as
Yeah,
well.
oh yeah, toro. There's a lot of good stuff happening in that as well.
We're in
And
the
it's sort of
special
interesting, like it's a little
flower.
rectangle.
And look at the flower there.
Yeah, I saw that. Very cute. Love the presentation.
And the food, guys. That last cod thing that
It was
we had.
so
I don't think
good.
I've ever had that at a sushi restaurant.
Yeah, and it was amazing. Big fan. So we're very excited to dive into the actual sushi now. We just got home. It is 10:30 right now. And I think we're going to climb into bed and read some of our books because this is adult date night.
Damn straight it is.
And we're very excited about it.
Oh, it's been so great.
Dinner was so good.
Yeah, new
I
spot alert.
absolutely loved it. The oysters were so good tonight as well. Molly. So the doors in our place don't like they do latch close, but if you just push them, you don't have to like turn the handle to open the door. Wait, don't open it. She can figure it out. She just burst in here earlier today. Just literally,
Really?
like I didn't even hear her scratching before.
Molly.
So anyway, I'm trying to like just teach her. If you just push against the door, it'll open. Like it's a very light touch that it takes. Molly, come here. I'm still on An Anonymous Girl. I know I was just talking to you guys about this book, but it is pretty trippy so far. So I'm excited to see where it goes. I'm like 50 or 60 pages in now. I'm super, super intrigued. I do not know what's going to happen next.
I'm coming. I'm letting you lose. I know. She said, don't let her in. And I said, why?
Because I knew you're smart enough to figure it out on your own, cutesy.
Yeah, you're right.
All ready for bed now. Yes, the three amigos. Me, Molly Cat, and Con. We're all in bed, ready to read our books and relax. Connor brought in some candles, which smells so good. Perfect relaxation for the evening. I have our humidifier going. What?
I already feel so calm.
I know. It is so good. And we're just going to have a nice, relaxing rest of our evening. But, Molly. Look, this is where she sleeps every night, you guys. Right here.
It's been the best.
Yeah, I love it. She wants nothing to do with me right now. Oh, hi. Yeah, there you go. Little nose bump. She's like, you need to back it up. Anyway, I'm gonna go ahead and end the vlog here, but thank you guys so much for watching today. Hope that you enjoyed it. Hope you enjoyed coming along for a little date night with us. I don't film a lot of date nights typically, and I feel like I haven't gotten to film us going out to eat in quite a while, so that was fun as well, sharing our little food adventure.
Especially at a new place.
Yeah, which is always extra special. And that sushi place was so good. We are so full right now.
Oh, in the best way.
Yeah.
It was just a fun night.
It really was. It was a great night. Thank you guys for watching today. I hope that you enjoyed my video, and I will see you in the next one.
Happy birthday.